Identities now have evolved beyond just the human heartbeat. So it's people, it's things, it's customers, it's servers, it's services, it can be the Internet of Things. And with that brings a whole new level of complexity in terms of understanding who has access to what, how this access is being managed. The challenges that these companies are facing are real. Regardless of the size of the organization, everyone's facing similar challenges and they all need help. That's why we have this event. To bring like-minded CISOs around a table, share best practices, understand some of the challenges they're facing within the identity and access management landscape, and there is hope in terms of addressing those challenges.
Business owns this process. IT just implements it. And often enough, we want technology solutions to solve these problems or challenges or issues that we're faced with, yet business are in control of it. So how do we educate them to make informed decisions to allow IT to then do what they're supposed to do? If we don't understand role-based access and how it affects our organizations, it will always be an issue. We are only as prepared as our next hack.
It's probably one of the most fundamental topics in the security space, simply because identity is the key and the foundation of our users' systems access the different applications that we need to use. It was a mixed bag. It was a wide range of different organizations, different sizes, etc., from small being 450 all the way up to 50,000, etc. It was great to see a different perspective from everybody. We all have the same issues, we just have to deal with it a little bit differently. But sometimes it's difficult to compare yourself if you're a 50,000 strong organization to somebody that's 450. But no, it's always interesting to see how smaller organizations are dealing with this problem that we all face.
We get to know from our peers, understand what other people are doing. And what's nice about it is you also get people in the same sector that you are in and understand the challenges. You're not alone. I mean, we're trying to secure our information assets. We're trying to make sure that we are cyber secure. And I think it starts from identity and access management. It's a cultural change. It's a mindset shift. Let's just look at the business objectives and understand what we're trying to do and guard these information assets.
Although we want to secure our systems, we also need to make it easier and more user-friendly. Our biggest concern was user experience and user awareness. With many industries around the table, it gives a good insight as to what's happening around the world and see how we can help each other to implement these secure systems. We're in this game together, and if there's compromise somewhere in one industry, there will be compromise in another industry, and we can all work together to accomplish the same goal.